Meaning of dairyman. Dairyman. Dairyman.
Dairyman. Dairyman. A dairyman is a person who manages and works on a dairy farm. They are responsible for the care of cows, milking them, and ensuring that the milk production process goes smoothly. A dairyman's job involves a variety of tasks, including feeding and watering the cows, cleaning their living spaces, and maintaining the equipment used for milking. They also need to keep track of the milk production levels and ensure that all milk collected meets quality standards before it is sold or processed. Overall, a dairyman plays a crucial role in the dairy industry.